Hi there, this is another episode of Mr. Interface reviewing one of the most important computer interfaces, the keyboard. This time I review the Topre Realforce 103 UUW, which has Topre as keys. The Topre is a tactile non-clicky switch. This means it does give you a little bump when pressing and it does not give you auditory feedback via key clicks. Let me show you the Topre key switch. Things I like about this keyboard: the extremely sturdy build construction, the differently weighted keys, and of course the Topre feeling, which is second to none. Things I don't like about this keyboard: the price, very expensive, and twice as expensive as most other new mechanical keyboards. Just to give you an impression, I will type "the crypt brown fox jumps over the lazy old dog" on it twice, one at my fastest and the second run trying not to bottom out on the keys. For more in-depth comparisons and interface full frontal nudity shots, visit www.mrinterface.com. Or not. Review the Topre Realforce 103 UUW, which has Topre as keys.